There we go.
So we're weighing here DHA for this product. This is a spray tanning solution that Ray is formulating. You can see that the DHA is a white crystal powder, and this is the way it comes in. And this is pretty typical of what you see from different manufacturers. So he's weighing it out, as you can see.
And we can see that there's no color in that. That's totally colorless at this point in time, right, John?
Yes, that's right. It's a product of a fermentation process, and then it's crystallized.
Right. And where does your DHA come from?
The DHA that we use comes from France, from a company called Givaudan. The other main supplier of DHA is Merck, which is a German company. Those are the two main suppliers.
And what's that liquid that he's adding right there?
What are you putting in there, Ray? Oh, this is erythrulose.
Erythrulose.
Yes.
And why do you add that at this stage instead of another stage?
It's really just a convenient time to be putting it in.
Right.
So he's just adding the erythrulose into there. Okay. Okay. So we'll just follow him over.
All right.
What step? Okay.
Okay. Now, what is he doing here, John?
Well, we're putting this into a stainless steel kettle, which is where we formulate all of our products. We have about 8 of these stainless steel kettles, and if you look in, you can see that the DHA the crystals start to dissolve in the water.
Right.
And it dissolves actually quite quickly. And you can see here that this is sort of becoming like a really thin skim milk sort of color.
Yes, it does kind of have that finished consistency.
And that's what it will look like. It will become more creamy as it mixes. And that is what you have with a clear spray tanning solution.
Wow.
So if you use that solution and just put that on the skin, that will absolutely tan a person.
Now, do you offer a clear solution in the Biddiscombe line?
Yes, we do.
Oh, that's great.
We have a clear solution, which is really great if you're spraying dries or something
Right.
like that. Okay, now this solution is to be a solution with bronzers.
Okay.
So Ray's going to add in the bronzers.
Hey, this is where the magic happens, right?
That's right. This is our special formulation of bronzers for this product. And you can see what happens here.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
You can see how quickly that changed. So, that's sort of a key part of this creation of a DHA solution is getting the DHA in there and dissolve, and then adding the cosmetic colors. We have other ingredients in there that help with application and so on.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. So there you have it.
And this is John Melville and Ray. Say hello, Ray, from Biddiscombe Sunless. Thank you so much for showing us how solution gets made.
You're very welcome.
All right.